Welcome back, everyone. I just want to try one more task here in launching the QtWebEngine from PyQT. So I got a command which I just want to run it, and so that I just want to see whether I will be able to install PyQt separately. Let me try. Let me try to log in it first. Right. Now let me try to run the command. Hopefully this we should get something here. Okay, so that's what the assumption, which is has no installation candidates. Package by QtWebEngine is not available. Okay, but it is referred by another package. This may mean that the package is missing. So let me try to search it. So let's see what actually going to happen. Okay, uh, maybe I will search it here. Give it to DeepSeek and see what happens. Hopefully it will give you some other command to install Qt WebEngine. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Qt is having some sort of an update. Uh, just showing you how to do this thing. Okay, maybe pip install upgrade pip. Okay, so that's what it's actually saying. Okay, let me try. So that's not a problem. So let me try to install this thing and see if there is any PyQt WebEngine is actually there. Uh, pip install upgrade, pip install PyQt externally managed environment, manage environment, environment is externally managed for it install package system side. Try install Python XYZ where it's the package you're trying to install. So it seems that maybe I will try one more time. Okay, maybe I will put this error into DeepSeek and see what happens. Okay. Maybe we will see if there is any separate command DeepSeek can generate after seeing this thing. Maybe we might need to stop here. This will start hallucinating. That's one another aspect. Okay, we cannot rely on this DeepSeek or AI engine alone. Okay, probably we might need to recompile the package. That's what we were actually doing. We are just trying to see if there is any precompiled package. Unfortunately, we didn't get any precompiled package, but that's why we are forced to compile Qt5 and Qt6 independently in Raspberry Pi platform, and we have succeeded to a certain extent, but unfortunately QtWebEngine again, although it is compiled and compiled, it didn't launch because of some of the missing dependency. So we are trying now here our luck here. libqt series. Okay, apt installed libqt you have. So this was actually tried before. Okay, but unfortunately that also didn't work out. See this. No package is actually available. It seems that Qt didn't have precompiled package for Raspberry Pi. They are not shipping with the precompiled package. So that's the reason why we are forced to download and forced to recompile it. Okay. So recompiling is not a straightforward task. It will take time and effort. Okay. So that let me give the last try. If any see if any packages are actually there, nothing is there. So I might need to quit in this regarding this approach. I might need to go with some other approach. Probably I might need to recombine it again. Okay, recombine the whole Qt so as to make the web engine or the browser in Qt work. Okay, thank you.